In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion dashboard for your solopreneur business. If you're running a business on your own, it's easy for information to end up scattered across different apps, documents, and sticky notes. A Notion dashboard helps bring everything into one central workspace so you can quickly see what needs your attention and stay focused on the work that matters most. The goal here is to build a clean, practical system that supports your day-to-day business without feeling overwhelming. Start by creating a main dashboard page in Notion and think of it as your business headquarters. This is where you'll organize the core areas of your business into clear sections. Add sections for clients, projects, tasks, content, finances, and ideas. Keeping these categories visible on one page makes it much easier to navigate your business and move between priorities without losing track of anything. Next, create a project database to track active work. This section is especially useful for seeing what you're currently working on, what's coming up next, and what may be waiting on input or approval. A project database gives you a structured way to manage deliverables and stay on top of progress rather than relying on memory alone. After that, create a client database to store client details and notes. This gives you one reliable place to keep important information related to each client relationship. It's helpful for reviewing past conversations, remembering preferences, and staying prepared before meetings or follow-ups. When all of your client information is organized in one place, communication becomes smoother and more professional. You'll also want to add a task manager for daily work. This is the part of your dashboard that helps you stay consistent and avoid mental clutter. Use it to keep track of the small but important actions that move your business forward each day. A good task manager should help you quickly identify what needs to be done now, what can wait, and what has already been completed. If you create social media or marketing content, add a content calendar as well. This helps you plan ahead, stay consistent with posting, and avoid the stress of creating content at the last minute. It also gives you a better overview of how your content supports your business goals over time. From there, track business goals and important deadlines directly in your dashboard. This keeps your bigger objectives connected to your everyday work, which is essential when you're managing everything yourself. It also helps ensure that key dates don't slip by unnoticed. Finally, review your dashboard weekly to stay organized and productive. A short weekly check-in helps you update progress, clean up outdated items, and prepare for the week ahead. Over time, this habit turns your dashboard into a reliable system that keeps your business clear, organized, and easier to manage.